Okay, we'll start. Can you all hear me? Yes? We'll start with Om. Today, let's after the prayer, I'll tell what I'm going to do. Come on. Om. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Today we'll read the Dhyana Shloka together fully. What I wanted to tell you is this Shloka number 4, which yesterday last class we added. In fact, in the original text, which is coming from Gorakhpur Gita Press, that book has this Shloka under Gita Mahatmyam. Many book has this 4th Shloka under Gita Mahatmyam. Some book has it under Gita Dhyanam. But as we have included last class, we will include that Shloka from that Gita Mahatmyam into our Gita Dhyanam as Shloka number 4. So I will read as per that. Together we will read, then I will make everyone chant one Shloka each. Is that okay? Is that okay? Are you all getting it? Yes? Yes.
Mahaji, I think Renate ji had a query or something. She has raised her hand.
No, I just asked if they are what to say, consent with my, what I'm going to do. If they are in consent, I told them to give their thumbs up.
No, she has raised a digital hand.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, you want me to cancel it? Okay, fine. Okay, right.
Okay, done. Okay. Sir, good morning, sir. I couldn't see you.
Yeah. I will get my video on in a few moments.
Okay. I'll just start my class, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Okay. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitaamritavarshiniim Bhagavatiim Ashtadashadhyayiniim Amba Tvamanusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshini Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Ullarabindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajvalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोर मकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम्। लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैर्गायन्ति यं सामगाः। ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः। देवाय तस्मै नमः। Now I would like each one of you to repeat one shloka each. Unmute yourself and I'll just call the names and you can start with the shlokas. Madam Ranate.
Om Pataya Pratibhoritam Bhagavata.
Wait a minute.
Na
Hello, it is Parthaya.
Parthaya. Parthaya.
Yeah. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam.
Om Parthaya Pratibhoritam Bhagavata. Narayanena Svayam Yaratitam Puranamunina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavashini Bhagavati Astarashatyayini अम्ब त्वामनुसन्ततामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी.
Good. Next. Next, who would like to read? Vimala madam.
नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे उल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः ऊर्ध्वा प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः.
Okay, next. Sri
I
Vidya.
will.
Chant. Sri Vidya.
Yes. प्रपन्न पारिजाताय स्तोत्र वेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः.
Good. Next.
Shall I chant?
Yes. Go ahead.
सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपाल नंदनः पार्थो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धम गीतामृतम महत्.
Good. Next.
धन्यवाद.
वसुदेव सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं.
Good. Next.
I request people once they have chanted to mute themselves, please.
Yeah. I think Ravi, Mr. Ravi, can you chant? Unmute yourself. Yeah. Bhishma.
भीष्मद्रोण तथा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थाम विकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधना वर्तिनीं सोत्तीर्ण खलु पाण्डवै रणनदी सोत्तीर्ण खलु पाण्डवै रणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः.
Next who has not yet chanted?
May I, Aparna?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Thank you. पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जन शतपदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रभवन्तिनः श्रेयसे.
Just a minute, I will correct you. Loke sajjana shatpadairaharaha epiyamanam muda bhuyad bharata pankajam kalimala pradvamsi. It is pradvamsi na shreyase. Okay, rest all of you also get correct. You find it is difficult. Okay, next. Who else is yet to chant?
நான் சொல்லலாமா மேடம்?
ஸ்ரீராமா சொல்லுங்க சார். Yeah, you can go ahead. You can chant.
மூகங் கரோதி வாசாலம் பங்கும் லங்கயதே கிரிம் யத் கிருபாதமஹம் வந்தே பரமானந்த மாதவம்.
Anybody else left? Kindly.
Ma'am, we have Aishwarya Shekhar, then Sudha, Uma, who haven't chanted.
Can I chant?
Yeah, you can go ahead. Yes.
Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha शृण्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैर्गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति ययोगिनो यस्यान्तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः.
So anybody left, we'll chant it again from the first shloka. Narayanan sir,
Mahaji.
I am not able to get the number of participants on my screen. I've got only 4 or 5.
You should be able to see 15. I mean, if you look at the bottom of your screen, it will say participants number 15.
Yeah, participant 15, but
Click on that. Click on the participant name. Then you're on the right side, it will scroll up. You'll get a pop-up window with all the names.
okay.
Click on participants.
Okay, but all of them are not simultaneously visible in my screen.
In gallery view should be, you are on a laptop or mobile?
Laptop.
So gallery view will show you all 15.
Or
Go
you
to
want
right,
gallery view?
top,
Oh, yeah.
Top right view.
View, yeah.
top right view.
Yeah, gallery.
then
In
you'll
that
see
press
everybody.
gallery.
Oh, yeah.
Scroll there. You can
Yeah, I think I
scroll
got
there.
it.
You
I
can
got
scroll
it.
right or left according to the arrow.
Got it.
No, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay, now again, if anybody is left for chanting,
Sudha Mahoday.
Sudha Mahoday, you can.
ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्बा त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी.
I would like to correct you, madam.
Yeah.
Advaitamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim. It is Ashtadashadhyayini.
Ashtadashadhyayini.
Amba
त्वामनुसन्दधामि
भगवद्गीते
भवद्वेषिणी.
I think Meera Narayanan.
Aishwarya Shekhar, please.
Aishwarya Shekhar. Aishwarya Shekhar. Kindly unmute and you can.
Ma'am, I had sent you a personal message. Did you notice?
Yes, ma'am.
In the chat box, I had sent you a personal message, ma'am, about chanting today.
Oh, I didn't get it. I didn't get you. Like,
I should remain quiet.
you are a Maunavrat today.
No, I'll send you a message, ma'am.
That's fine, Aishwarya.
That's fine. You can just
Thank
keep
you.
listening. You can keep listening to the shlokas.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Meera Narayanan has to say. Meera Narayanan and Aparna Sharma.
Aparna Sharma, there are 2 entries, so maybe she has logged in from 2 devices.
Yes, I am logged in from Tuesday.
Oh, Meera. Okay, then I think we'll go ahead with chapter 1. Is that okay with all of you? Shall we start with chapter 1? But I would request all of you to go through the videos which are being uploaded in the YouTube to keep listening and correct your whatever that's pronunciation. So that once again tomorrow in the next class we'll go through the Dhyana Shloka once again. But everybody will chant it. The more you chant, you will get more clarity in your pronunciations. Is that okay?
Yes. Dhanyavad.
Mahaji, only one small announcement. We sent out a communication to all the people who have registered on their email. So I request all of them to look at their email, where we have given the Zoom link, the WhatsApp link, and the playlist links. Right?
Yes.
I suggest all of you join the WhatsApp group so that our communication becomes easier. please have a look at your email. Also check whether that email has gone into your spam folder. Thank you.
We got it. Thank you.
And one more request, can I share this to my friends to join the class?
Now you can ask her to register.
Yeah, I have to tell them to register.
Yeah, once they register, they'll get the link. So it's better to go through that process, ma'am.
Okay.
Let them register, they will get the link once they register.
Okay. Anything you want to discuss? Like, shall we start?
Yeah.
Madam, about that book, you
Yeah.
have mentioned about the book. You have mentioned the link. Okay, is it the same one what you are following? Where is the?
No, I haven't yet got that link. I don't know which book it is. I have to get the link, but I am for that. I can.
Is this book?
The book I am following.
We are following this. Then.
So,
I
Mahaji, my request is if you can take a picture and post it in the WhatsApp group of the front and the back.
Yeah, front and the back. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, sure, sir. I'll definitely do that. But Dr. Jaikumar was telling about he will.
Yeah. This is the book in the email. Narayanan Mahodaya, what you have. This is
I have a question.
This was the book he mentioned.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, this one, Srimad Bhagavad Gita by Swami Dayanand Saraswati.
But it is not. It is not the book Madam was showing. No?
No, Madam showed another book, but what is mentioned in the email is this book.
Okay.
Acha, what is mentioned in the email is that book.
Yeah, correct.
I have to get hold of. If I can get hold of that, I will. Even here, I will also buy one. But till such time, I will be.
No, because the first is then no. You are given this book. The words are split. No.
Yeah, this is for Parayana to teach.
No, that is what I am interested in. I have got the other book. Okay.
I can give the. I'll send it in the WhatsApp. Like.
Yeah. Reference if I can give you.
Buy this book.
So it's easy for.
I can tell Jaikumar also.
Yeah.
Is it okay? Is it okay?
Which one, madam? Which one?
Another book.
The Gita Prasa.
Never
As long as now whatever I am chanting is coming correctly in your book, you can follow. There's no hard and like you should have. Only for the Dhyana Sloka, some slokas come under Gita Dhyanam, some under Gita Mahatmya.
Parayana book.
Parayanam for from chapter 1, it will be all books will have the same. Okay.
Yes.
So we shall start with the first chapter. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः धृतराष्ट्र उवाच Narayanan ji, are you there? No, I would like one of the participant to unmute and repeat it twice. Can we try that?
Ma'am, you can identify whom you want.
Like one for each sloka, I would like to have one participant.
So would you want to identify by name?
Anybody like first let me start with Uma. Because when I say let her repeat for 2 times. Okay.
So, Mahaji, you can call out the person by name. They can join you in the chanting.
Okay. That's okay. Okay, I'll just call Madam Uma Mahodaya. Can you join me?
I have joined the audio.
Okay, thank you. Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre.
Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre. Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre.
Samaveta Yuyutsavaha.
Samaveta Yuyutsavaha. समवेतायुयुत्सवः
मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव
मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव
किमकुर्वत सञ्जय
किमकुर्वत सञ्जय किमकुर्वत सञ्जय
Again I'll repeat the sloka. Dhritarashtra uvacha
धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धृतराष्ट्र उवाच
धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः
धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः
मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय
मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय.
Now the next participant will be Sri Vidya. Can you please unmute yourself? Sanjaya uvacha
Sanjaya uvacha
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम्
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम्
व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा
व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा
आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य
आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य
राजा वचनमब्रवीत्
राजा वचनमब्रवीत् राजा वचनमब्रवीत्
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा
आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्
आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
Next participant.
Mahoday.
Yeah, can kindly unmute, then I'll. Mr. Sriram, can you?
I'm ready.
Okay. Pashyaitam Panduputraणाम्
Pashyaitam Panduputraणाम्
आचार्यम्
ரெண்டு தடவை சொல்லணும்ல
ரெண்டு தடவை சொல்லணும் ஓகே சாரி
Pashyaitam Panduputraणाम्
आचार्य महतीं च मूम्
आचार्य महतीं च मूम् आचार्य महतीं च मूम्
व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण
व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण
तव शिष्येण धीमता
तव शिष्येण धीमता तव शिष्येण धीमता
पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं च मूम्
पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं च मूम्
व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता
व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता
Thank you. Next sloka, Ranate, can you join?
Okay.
Okay. Atra shura maheshvasa.
Atra
Shura Maheshvasa. Atra Shura Maheshvasa.
Bhimarjuna samayudhi.
Bhimarjuna Samayuti. Bhimarjuna Samayuti.
Yuyudhano viratascha.
Yuyuthano Viratascha. Yuyuthano Viratascha.
Drupadascha maharataha.
Drupadascha Maharataha. Drupadascha Maharataha.
Atra shura maheshvasaha. Bhimarjuna samayudhi.
Atra Shura Maheshvasaha.
Shura. Kindly correct. Atra shura. Atra shura.
Atra Shura Maheshvasaha. Bhimarjuna Samayuti.
Yuyudhano viratascha. Drupadascha maharatha.
Yuyuthano Viratascha. Drupadascha Maharataha.
One more sloka. We'll do 5 slokas. Who will do the next one? Okay, Panant sir. Can you kindly unmute yourself?
Anand here. Okay.
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः
काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान्
काशीराजस्य वीर्यवान् काशीराजस्य वीर्यवान्
पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च
पुरुजित् कुन्तिबोधस्य पुरुजित् कुन्तिबोधस्य
शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः
शैवस्य नरपुङ्गवः शैवस्य नरपुङ्गवः
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान्
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजस्य वीर्यवान् दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजस्य वीर्यवान्
पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः
पुरुजित् कुन्तिबोधस्य शैब्यस्य नरपुङ्गवः पुरुजित् कुन्तिबोधस्य शैवस्य नरपुङ्गवः.
Very good. We'll do the first 5 once again. Now I will say you all keep yourself muted and repeat after me. Okay. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Prathamodhyayah. Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre. समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय सञ्जय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत् पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च मूम् व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता अत्र शूरा महेश्वासाः भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः. Now I would like to listen if anybody wants to chant and each one sloka each.
Yeah,
Can
I will.
Yeah, kindly go, Mr. Vijay Venu. Mahoday.
Yeah. From the first one?
Yeah.
Okay. Dhritarashtra uvacha.
Sir, you
Dharma.
can, hello, you can start from Om Shri Paramatmane.
Om Shri Paramatme Namaha.
Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Dhritarashtra. Atha Pratamodhyayah. Then start the shloka.
Dhritarashtra
uvacha Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Can you read the next one?
Yeah. Sanjaya uvacha Drishtva tu Panduvanikam Vyudam Duryodanastada Acharyamupasangamya Raja Vachanam Bravit.
Vachanam
Abravit.
Okay, next. Who will chant? Third and fourth. Yes, Vimala madam, you can go ahead. Third and fourth.
The third and fourth, ne?
Yes.
Pachyetam Panduputrana Acharyamagatim Chamo Vyudam Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Madam, you can split it like that. Vyudam Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Vyudam Drupada Putrena
Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Madam, who? I think Vimala madam, you are telling.
Vyudam Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata. Atra Shura Mageshvasa Bhimarjuna Samayudi Yuyudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Magarataga.
Good. Next. Next, who want to chant? Can
நான் சொல்லமா மேடம் ஸ்ரீராம்.
Okay.
Drishtaketu.
சரி சொல்லட்டும் அவர் சொல்லட்டும்.
Sriram, you can go ahead.
Okay. दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैभ्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः.
Again, we start from the first sloka.
First line ஆரம்பிக்கட்டுமா?
Play. Next, I'll give a chance to another participant.
Okay.
Mr. Pant. Anant.
Yeah. Dhritarashtra uvacha Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveda Yuyutsavaha Mamaga Pandavachaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Okay, next. Sir, next Sudha. Who is raised? Sudha, can you?
Yeah. Sanjaya uvacha दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
Good. Next.
Shall I?
Yes.
Shall I continue?
No, I'll just give you a chance to another participant who has not yet chanted. Ravi, you have not chanted yet.
Yes.
Okay, you can go ahead.
Pashaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupada Vyudham Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Good. Next. Anybody who has not read can raise your hand.
May I please, Aparna?
Yes, Aparna, you have not chanted yet?
No.
I think Renate ji raised her hand.
You can chant. Atra Shloka number 4. You unmute yourself and chant, na? Aparna.
Okay.
Yeah.
Atra Shura Maheshwara.
Shura, it is Shura, Atra Shura.
Atra Shura Maheshwara.
Not, it is not a small shoe, it is shu. It is Dirgham. Atra Shura Maheshwasaha.
Atra Shura Maheshwasa. Bhimarjuna Samayudhi. Yuyudhano Viratascha. Drupadascha Maharatha.
It is not Yuyudhano, it is Yuyudhano.
Yuyudhano
Viratascha.
Drupadascha Maharatha. Dhanyawad.
Welcome. Who else has not chanted yet? Can raise your hand, please.
Renate ji.
Renate
ji, please go ahead.
ji, can you go ahead?
Trishtaketushchekitanaha Kashirajascha Viravyam Yavan Puruchit. Sorry.
It's
had no overlap.
Yeah. Chant it again.
Trishtaketushchekitanaha Kashirajascha Viryavan Puruchit Kuntipochascha Shepyascha Narapungavaha.
Good. Anybody else is left who's yet to chant? Because I'm not getting all on my. I'll do one thing. We'll chant together all the 5 slokas, then I'll go to the 6th. Do we have time? Okay, we'll see. We'll chant together from sloka 1 to 5. Okay? Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Adha Pratamo Dhyayaha Dhritarashtra Uvacha Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Himakurvata Sanjaya Uvacha Drishtva tu Pandavanikam Vyudham Duryodhanastada Acharyamupasangam Raja Vachanamabravit Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata Atra Shura Maheshwasaha Bhimarjuna Samayudhi Yuyudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharatha Drishtaketuschekitanaha Kashirajascha Viryavan Purujit Kunti Bhojascha Shaivyascha Narapungavaha. This is clear to all of you, like first 5 slokas?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I think we have still, I think we can do 2 more shlokas today. How about, shall we go ahead?
Yes, Mahaji, we have time.
You have time, yeah, sure. Yudha manyuscha vikrantah. Can Aparna Madam Uma continue with me? Uma?
Yeah.
Mute yourself. Yes.
युधा मन्युश्च विक्रान्तः युधा मन्युश्च विक्रान्तः
उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान्
उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान्
सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च
सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च
सर्व एव महारथाः
सर्व एव महारथाः सर्व एव महारथाः
युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान्
युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान्
सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः
सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः.
Next shloka. Can Sudha continue? Can you unmute yourself? अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये
अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये
तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम
तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम
तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम
तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम
नायका मम सैन्यस्य
नायका मम सैन्यस्य नायका मम सैन्यस्य
संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते
संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते
अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम
अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम
नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते
नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते
ब्रवीमि ते
ब्रवीमि ते.
Okay, next shloka. Can Vijay Menon? Can you?
Yes.
Yeah. भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च
भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च
कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः
कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः
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 अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च
अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च
सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च
सौमदत्तिर्जयद्रथः
Sauma Dattis Tathaiva cha.
Sa is there.
Sauma Dattis Tathaiva cha.
Okay, here little different.
What is it exactly? Can you anybody?
Here it says Sauma Dattir Jayadratah.
இங்க என்னோடதுலயும் அப்படித்தான் இருக்கு. சோமதத்திர் ஜெயத்ரதஹ.
That's fine because some books have a change in that. That's okay.
While I have got that Gita Press book, I'll just go through if it is different.
Yeah, the Gita Press book also is Saumadatista Taivacha.
யாரும் வேற புக் வச்சிருந்தா கஷ்டம்.
I think Arshavidya Gurukulam has mentioned it as Jayadratha.
Yeah, Somadattir Jayadratah.
Sauma Dattis Tathaiva cha தான் இருக்கு இந்த original Gita Press bookல. So we'll go with this. Okay?
Okay.
How many of you have got this Sauma this Tathaiva cha? Can you raise your hand? Tathaiva cha. Okay. Can you just make a little correction, Mr. Vijay?
Yeah. I'll make a note.
Sure. Martin.
Okay, I'll repeat it once again. Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha.
Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha.
Kripascha Samitinjayah.
Kripascha Samitinjayah.
Ashwathama Vikarnascha.
Ashwathama Vikarnascha.
Saumadastis Tathaiva cha.
Saumadastis
Tathaiva cha.
Okay.
Saumadastis Tathaiva cha. Okay, I'll read the full shloka once again. You can just listen. Okay.
Okay.
Bhavan Bhishmascha Krishnascha Kripascha Samitinjayah Ashwathama Vikarnascha Saumadattis Tathaiva cha. So we have done till the 8th shloka. I'll do the 9th and 10th also. I think we have still time. Okay, who would like to next? Sriram, can you unmute yourself?
Ready, ma'am.
Anye cha bahava shuraha.
Anye cha bahava shuraha. Anye cha bahava shuraha.
Madarte tyakta jivitaha.
Madarte tyakta jivitaha. Madarte tyakta jivitaha.
Nana shastra praharanaha.
Nana shastra praharanaha. Nana shastra praharanaha.
Sarve yuddha visharadaha.
Sarve yuddha visharadaha. Sarve yuddha visharadaha.
Anye cha bahava shuraha. Madarte tyakta jivitaha.
Anye cha bahava shuraha. Madarte tyakta jivitaha.
Nana shastra praharanaha. Sarve yuddha visharadaha.
Nana shastra praharanaha. Sarve yuddha visharadaha.
Okay, next shloka, 10th one. Can Rana take? Can you repeat after me? Yeah. Aparyaptam tadasmakam.
Aparyaptam tarasmakam. Aparyaptam.
It is aparyaptam.
Aparyaptam tarasmakam.
Balam bhishmabhirakshitam.
Balam bhishmabhirakshitam. Balam Bhishmabhirakshitam.
Balam Bhishmabhirakshitam. Again.
Balam Bhishmabhirakshitam.
Paryaptam tvidamete
Paryaptam
tvidamete
Paryaptam tvitamnetesham. Paryaptam tvitamnetesham.
Balam bhimabhirakshitam.
Balam bhimabhirakshitam. Balam bhimabhirakshitam.
Aparyaptam tadasmakam. Balam bhishmabhirakshitam. Paryaptam. Okay, repeat.
Sorry.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Paryaptam tadasmakam. Balam bhishmabhirakshitam.
Paryaptam tvidamete balam bhimabhirakshitam.
Paryaptam vittametesham. Balam bhimabhirakshitam.
Okay, now from 6th to 10th, we'll chant together. Okay. Yudhamanyuscha vikrantaha uttamaujaschа viryavan saubhadro draupadeyascha sarva eva maharathaha अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तान् निबोधद्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्. Yeah. Like I would like you all to go through the YouTube video and do some like chanting at home so that next class I'll make everyone chant. Then we'll go to the next.
Mahodaya, I have one more question.
Yes.
Is the Wednesday class also should we attend or just some other group?
No, same class. Wednesdays and Saturdays. 2 classes are taken by both the classes.
Shivadyaji, this is twice a week, Wednesday and Saturday.
Yes, madam.
Oh, my time is Saturday only.
No. Classes you can attend. The turn wise.
Srividyaji, this program is twice a week, Wednesday and Saturday.
Okay.
So you are expected to attend both days.
I didn't attend the Wednesday's class. I didn't know that. I'm thinking that it is only on Saturday.
No, it is that twice a week. The whole program is twice a week. Wednesday 11 to 12 and Saturday 11 to 12. Okay. You kindly attend both the sessions.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Any more questions? Or I'll say Purnamada, shall we?
You will be sending the photographs of your book.
Yeah, I will send it. Sure, sir.
Mahaji will send it in the WhatsApp group. So request all people to join.
Yeah, I will send it in the WhatsApp group. Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning to all. I am Vimala Mami's son. Whoever is the organizer, can you send the password with a little word or a little number? Because I am using in the unit. It is very difficult to type 35 characters. if it is possible, whoever is the organizer.
You just need to click on the link. It will automatically open Zoom.
I know that if you do it in laptop or a phone, it will be working.
Right.
I'm using it in the portal. I have to type all the things.
Okay. So we'll give you the user ID and password.
That is better, so that people can link. That is not a problem. This also, it is very easy to operate for my mother. If I am not there. Though I am not there for last 2 days, that last Wednesday and Sunday, I could able to do this in the portal. Thank you very much.
So we'll put it on the WhatsApp group description.
That's fine. That's right. Whatever. Whoever it, I mean, it has to go for all. Thank you.
Yeah. Right.
Good day. So I'm disconnecting. Is it over?
Yeah, no, I'm giving the concluding shlokas. Okay. Okay. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Thank you.